아이스볼 Kiddies Kiddo.
Look at this shape, what could it be? It has 3 sides, count with me. 1, 2, 3, nice and neat. It's a triangle, sharp and sweet. Guess the shapes, let's play the game. Say them out loud, call their name. 4 equal sides, standing square. Find this shape most everywhere. Boxes, blocks, what could it be? It's a square, now say it with me. Guess the shapes, let's play the game. Say them out loud, call their name. This one's round, it rolls away. No sharp edges, smooth all day. The sun, a ball, a pizza pie. It's a circle, give it a try. Guess the shapes, let's play the game. Say them out loud, call their name. 2 sides long, 2 sides small. The shape stands strong and tall. Like a door or book just right. It's a rectangle, big and bright. Guess the shapes, let's play the game. Say them out loud, call their name. Up in the sky, shining bright. A special shape twinkles at night. 5-point sparkle, look and see. It's a star for you and me. Guess the shapes, you did so great. Now go and find them, don't be late.
Subscribe.